Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. Today I got into GLW. I want to share with you um, the analysis on that stock and some others. This is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. So the market, as you can see, I pulled up the SPY here. The market is bullish. So we keep looking for bullish charts. The first one, the one I entered today is Corning. GLW is the ticker symbol. So if we look at the chart on the daily, we can see that it's in uptrend. And if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that it kind of does this kind of pattern where it gap up with a big green candle, and then it will consolidate, and then it will go up again, and then it will consolidate, and then go up and consolidate. So you see the trend, and then what happened in the past week or so is that on July 14th, it gapped up. No, not gapped up, but it formed a big green candle, and then for the next 2 days, it was consolidating within the top range of the that green candle's body, and then it gapped up again on the 17th, and now it's consolidating. I liked that today it had this longer wick at the bottom, and then it closed above at the top. So I got in this one today, and I think this one's weekly chart. It's yeah, be cautious with the double top here. So if you do get in, like I did, this is the nearest resistance area. So not a whole lot of profit compared to other stocks that I have shared, but this one I think is a low risk entry. I think it also has potential to go higher with the on the weekly. If you can see that the weekly 50 is about to cross above the 200, so that's the one I entered today. So I have a bias on it. The other one I have, oh, and this one it has earnings on the 29th. So keep that in mind. Um, if you do maybe if you do want to get in, this should be like a swing trade candidate, not because personally I don't like to hold stocks over to their earnings unless it's a long trade, longer term trade. The other one I want to share with you that does not need to worry about earnings for a while is SCHW. This is a bank stock, or no, Charles Schwab, kinda. But this one, as you can see, that it has earning was this date, the 18th, and earning made the price gap up, and for the past 2 days, it has been consolidating within this day's top and lower price. So this one is definitely worth putting on the watch list. But this one, I think on the weekly, you can see that it also has that double top. You have to keep in mind with this one. It may not be the best time to get in. Maybe wait for it to consolidate, try to digest the previous high area, and then once it's ready, look for price action to go higher. So this one, put it on your watch list, and then there are some other bank stocks that their chart just looks great, pending wise. So this is BK, and then there is Citibank, Citigroup also looks great, and then there is another one, but its earning is not hasn't happened yet. The earning is July 29th, but the chart pattern on this one is also very strong uptrend. So those are the bank stocks. Another one I want to share is KGC. This one, the earning is also in the corner. It's July 30th, I believe. But if you look at the chart pattern, it was consolidating in this area. If we come to the weekly chart, it's probably better. It it had a big bullish engulfing on this week, and then it was choppy for 4 or 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and then it gapped up, and then it is consolidating in this area for 4, 5, 6 weeks, and now it gapped up again this week. So I think this one has potential to go even higher. So this one worth to put on your watch list. I don't think it's a best time to go in right now because the two um, gap candles today and yesterday, it may be a better idea to wait it for it to consolidate a little bit, let the price settle a little bit. Another one I have for you guys is MRK. This one, as you can see on the daily, it's an uptrend. It broke down below the uptrend yesterday, but then if you look at the 50 MA, you can see that it found support on the 50 MA, and it has formed this morning star candle pattern. So, and then if we come to the weekly chart, we can see that it was in a downtrend on the weekly, and then it broke that downtrend, and even on the weekly we can see this uptrend going on here. So I think this one has great potential to go higher, but then the first target will be somewhere here. That doesn't look like a lot, but if we can get past that, the next resistance area will probably be somewhere here. That will be over 11%. And then if it can tackle the 50 MA, come to this resistance area, that will be 15% potential upside. So this one is on my watch list. And then last but not least, CCJ. I think this is a uranium stock. And this one, as you can see, has had an amazing up run, and it has pulled down but find support on the 200. And if we zoom in, it kind of made me worry yesterday, but then today it went back up again. So I think this one still has higher, still has potential to go higher. The weekly looks even steeper. So, but if you don't like this one, there is another uranium stock that looks good. This one, as you can see, I'm on the daily chart. This one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day up run, and then it consolidated for 2 days, and now it's going up again. So this one, or you can try, as I like it, you can try the ETF URA. URA is also in uptrend, and chart like this. So you can see it was it went way above the trend line, but then it pulled back and found support near the trend line, and then it's going up again. I think this candle may be scary, but I think this one is worth to put on the watch list and then see what price does for the next couple days, 3 days, and see if there is a better entry point for us to get in and take some profit. So these are all the stocks and ETFs I want to share with you today. Hopefully you find some value in this video. If you like this kind of content, you know what to do. All right, until next time. Bye for now.